Hey guys, it's Mr. Anderson. I know I've had a lot of questions about how to access the science textbook online, so I just want to make a quick tutorial about how to do that. So the first thing that you need to do is on your laptop or tablet or device, go ahead and go to the Taylor County School District website here. Then after you go here, you're going to go click class link, and that's how you're going to access your class link. So your class link should load. Then after your class link loads, you would need to type in your username and password, which you should already know. It's your 62 number and then your password. And then after you type that in and press enter, your screen should look something like this. Now you may not have the same apps as I do, but you should still have this red app right here that says McGraw-Hill LTI. Once again, this says McGraw-Hill LTI or McGraw-Hill Education. You're gonna wanna click that app, and then this will take you to our Science McGraw-Hill resources. So it should take you to this screen, and once again, your screen is going to look a little bit different than mine because I have this teacher edition here. So you're going to see where it says Inspire Science Florida Grade 5 Student Edition. You're going to click that orange right there, that orange title where it says Inspire Science Florida Grade 5. And that should take you to the screen. Now, most of you from your Dojo messages and phone calls have been able to get to this video, and then I feel like a lot of the confusion is happening right here. So I just want to clarify this very quickly. So you actually would need to go to a different module. So click this light blue area right here. And so the book may pop up and you may be in the energy and motion module. So you're just going to go back to where it says diversity of living things because that is our current module that we are working in. So click diversity of living things and then click lesson 2 adaptations because that is the lesson that we will be working in this week. So after you click that, your screen should look like this. Next, to access your textbook, this is not actually your textbook just yet, but to access it, you're going to have to click on student lesson. And let's see, I got a pop-up here that I would need to share with you guys. Let me do a new share here. All right, so this is what it should look like. Next, you should have this thing that asks you to think about, how you dress when it's warm compared to when it's cold. This would just have your big questions and your science probe questions that you need to think about once you're reading your textbook. But to actually get to that textbook, you can click these tabs up here. So engage, explore, explain, elaborate, and evaluate. So if I click on this engage tab right here, it's gonna tell me to click here for pages 61 and 62 in the Be a Scientist notebook. Anytime you see where it says Be a Scientist notebook, that just means your workbook. That's what we've been calling our workbook this whole time in class. So I'm just going to click on that real quick just to show you guys. And this should bring up a PDF. Let's see if you're able to see that PDF. So this should take you to the PDF, right? And then after you go to the PDF, you can scroll down, you can see clearly what the PDF is, and it is just your current workbook pages, which I've also uploaded images to on Class Dojo. So next, after we do that, we're going to go back to our pop-up here, and you're going to click explain. Now you can click explore too, but that usually has activities in it. But next we're going to click explain. And anytime where it says click here to open the science handbook, that just means your textbook. So science handbook just means your textbook. So we're going to click on that. And that's going to take you to this page right here. And it should be just a web-based, almost like a PDF of your science textbook. Now it will let you scroll forwards and backwards with these arrows. The cool thing about it is it will also even read some of this text to you. So if you just click this little speaker icon up here, it'll actually read the pages to you, or at least it should. So there you have it. There's how you access your science textbook online through the McGraw-Hill app in your class link. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me on Dojo. Your parents also have my phone number as well that I posted at the very beginning of the school closures on the class story. Feel free to reach out if you have any questions. Thanks so much, guys. Have a good day.